Yeah. THL, nigga. What up, TDE? Get at me, nigga. I'm right here in Watsu. Feel it? Yeah. Look. What up, Ab-Soul, Black Hippie? Y'all niggas be doing y'all shit. Don't trip, I'm watching. Just low-key shaded right now. We gonna be there in a minute, though. We on our way. Guarantee you that. Yeah. Got a quick 16 for this. Maybe a little longer, you know. Check me out, though. Look. It's all feeling, going through spiritual healing, trying to cleanse my soul through sinning. Sorry, Lord, please forgive them. Finally come into my senses. You can't buy your way to heaven, but you can sell your soul, and that price ain't so expensive. Jumping the devil's fences, I'm on my way to gold, dismantling any obstacle that come across my road, delivering God's message. Motherfucker, I was chose to take you to new heights and show you things you never known. This is how I feel. Like, do I want this record deal? Got all these people in my face, but most of the time I'm trying to chill. Doing it for the dollars, gives a fuck, I keep it real. Cause my family hungry and every night we needin' a meal. So I let my soul spill. And then I'm taking aim at those who there when the sun shine. Believe me, in the rain. Attitude changing, I'll never be the same. I'm sharpening my brain, applying weed to the flame. It's life. Yeah.